Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the boundless potential of the human mind. Today, we dive into a topic that might resonate with many of us, feeling out of energy and disconnected from the fire within. Have you ever wondered if your thinking patterns have contributed to this state? Well, today, we're going to uncover the relationship between our thoughts and our energy levels, and how we can reignite our passion for life. Let's get started. Segment 1. The connection between energy and mindset. Have you ever noticed how your energy levels seem to dwindle when your mindset is clouded with negativity? Our thoughts and beliefs directly influence our energy and enthusiasm for life. When we constantly focus on the negative aspects, it drains our energy like a leaky faucet. It's time to take a closer look at our thinking patterns and make a shift towards positivity. Segment 2. Recognizing limiting beliefs. Often, our energy depletion stems from deep-rooted limiting beliefs that hold us back. These beliefs act as barriers, stifling our creativity and passion. Take a moment to reflect on the beliefs you hold about yourself, your capabilities, and your worthiness. Are these beliefs serving you or hindering your growth? It's time to challenge and replace them with empowering beliefs that reignite your fire. Segment 3. The power of positive affirmations. One of the most effective ways to transform our thinking and rekindle our energy is through positive affirmations. Affirmations are powerful statements that help reshape our subconscious mind. By repeating positive affirmations daily, such as, "I am full of vibrant energy," or, "I radiate passion and enthusiasm," we can change our internal dialogue and fuel our inner fire. Segment 4. Cultivating a gratitude practice. Gratitude has the remarkable ability to shift our focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in our lives. By cultivating a gratitude practice, we train our minds to appreciate the present moment and recognize the blessings surrounding us. As we shift our attention to gratitude, we tap into a wellspring of positive energy that rejuvenates our spirit and fuels our zest for life. Segment 5. Embracing mindfulness and self-care. In our fast-paced lives, it's easy to lose touch with ourselves and neglect self-care. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and deep breathing exercises, help us reconnect with our inner selves and replenish our energy reserves. Prioritizing self-care activities that nurture our mind, body, and soul is essential for maintaining a vibrant and energized state. Segment 6. Surrounding yourself with positive influences. Our environment and the people we surround ourselves with significantly impact our energy levels. It's crucial to evaluate the relationships and situations that drain our energy and limit our growth. Seek out positive influences, supportive communities, and individuals who inspire and uplift you. Surrounding yourself with positivity will fuel your fire and propel you towards a life of energy and fulfillment. As we wrap up today's video, remember that if you're feeling out of energy and disconnected from the fire within, it's time to examine your thinking patterns. By identifying and replacing limiting beliefs, practicing positive affirmations, cultivating gratitude, prioritizing self-care, and surrounding yourself with positive influences, you can reignite your passion for life and experience a newfound energy that propels you forward. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey to reclaim your energy and reignite your flame. If you resonated with this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering videos.